Hello students, today you will start the class with the third unit lesson forgetting. Okay, very nice lesson and it is a very practical lesson also. Forgetting. Okay, forgetting when you are studying, when you are preparing for the exam, you as a student you will pray to the God, God I should not forget these things. Okay, these questions I should not forget at all. Okay, will you do or not? Okay, it is natural. But forgetting ஒன்று இல்லாமல் இருந்தால் நல்லா இருக்குமா எப்படி இருக்கும்? Okay, we will see in this lesson. Okay, that forgetting is a lesson. அப்படியே real lifeல what will happen that was explained by our author Robert Lind. Okay, Robert Wilson Lind, he is an Irish writer and he is one of the great essayists of 20th century. Okay, 20th century writer, and he started his career as a journalist. Okay, and all the works he has written and published under his pseudo name YY. Okay, he doesn't want to publish his in his own name, under his pseudo name, fake name YY. Okay, and he has written a humorous, delightful, ironical, that humor தான் he used to write. Humor தான் நிறைய works he has written, and many prizes also he got. So Robert Lind is an Irish writer. He used to write humorical stories, and next he used to publish his work under his pseudonym YY. Okay, and we'll start the lesson, and take your book and follow me very carefully. And forgetting, which was written by Robert Lind. Okay, so see the list of articles. Okay, now read the humorous essay Forgetting by Robert Lind and his analysis of the fundamental reasons for forgetfulness in human. So his analysis of forgetfulness in humans, that's what we are going to study in this lesson. See, a list of articles. The speaker of the lesson is Robert Lind, and he was in the railway station. A list of articles lost by railway travelers and now on sale at a great London station has been published, and many people who read it have been astonished at the absent-mindedness of their fellows. So author, he is in the railway station. In the railway station you might have seen a list of articles. Articles means things lost by railway travelers. Okay, many things which was lost by railway travelers now on sale at a great London station. So that things missed by the railway travelers, no, that was collected by a man, and he just selling all the things in a great London station has been published. And in that group you can see umbrella, books, mobile, like that, and many people. So after seeing that, many people in the railway station just they are astonished at the absent mindedness of their fellows. எல்லாரும் பார்த்து இதையெல்லாமா மிஸ் பண்ணிட்டு போவாங்க, ஐயோ மொபைலை மிஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, புக்கை மிஸ் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க, இப்படியும் பீப்புள் மறப்பாங்க அப்படின்னு எவ்ரிபடி getting astonished. If statistical records were available on the subject, however, I doubt whether it would be found that absent-mindedness. So what author is telling, if statistical reports, if we take a statistical report about a human forgetfulness, his idea is that it be found that absent-mindedness is common. So a statistical report if we take எடுத்தோம்னா what he is telling, that absent mindedness is common. So absent mindedness is common, and it is the efficiency rather than the inefficiency of human memory just that compels my wonder. So author is getting wonder that it is the efficiency, it is which one? Forgetfulness. Okay, forgetfulness is effective rather than the human memory. அப்போ human memory காட்டிலும் forgetfulness ரொம்ப எஃபெக்டிவா? Okay, human memory, that power of human mind you know very well. ஓகே, இவ்வளோ திங்ஸ் ஞாபகம் வச்சுருக்குன்னு. ஸோ அந்த மைண்டை காட்டிலும் ஃபர்கெட்ஃபுல்னஸ்ங்கிறது அவ்வளோ எஃபெக்டிவா? ஓகே, ஐ எம் ஜஸ்ட் கெட்டிங் ஒண்டர் அப்படின்னு ஹீஸ் getting astonished. And modern man remembers even telephone numbers. So what my question is, a modern man even the 10 digit 12 digit number and their father, mother, sister, even minimum at least 5 to 7 people's phone numbers he can remember. Wherever you ask, he has the ability to tell the number. So he has the ability to tell the phone numbers. அதெல்லாம் சொல்ல அவனுக்கு ஞாபகம் இருக்குது. ஒரு சின்ன புக்கை எடுத்துகிட்டு போகணுன்னு அவனுக்கு ஞாபகம் இல்லை. So how it is possible? He's just raising a question. And he remembers the addresses of his friends. Okay, that friends or addresses he can remember. He remembers the dates of good vintages. Good vintages, vintage na a wine in a particular place. எங்கேயோ எப்பயோ குடிச்ச ஒரு tasty wine குடிச்சதை he can remember. Okay, after 10 years also he can remember. See, that vintages is wine of high quality produced in a particular year. Okay, wine of high quality produced in a particular year. So he can remember phone numbers, he can recall his friend's address, he can remember that dates of good vintages. So these things, even though he can remember these things, but he can't take his own thing while he is traveling in a train. So I hope you can understand that what we are going to learn in this lesson. Okay, very simple lesson. So listen me carefully. And I'll move to the second paragraph. And he remembers appointment. He na people. Okay, we. Okay. He remembers appointments for lunch and dinner. Okay, next Sunday, not next Sunday, next month unoda sister marriage ko, okay, friend marriage ko, you are getting permission, you are getting asking a teacher to give leave. ஓகே, ஒரு வாரத்துக்கு பின்னாடி நடக்க போகிறத யூ கேன் ரிமெம்பரிங் அண்ட் யூ ஆர் ஆஸ்கிங் பெர்மிஷன். தட் ஒன் ஆல்சோ யூ கேன் கீப் இன் யுவர் மைண்ட். Why can't you keep other things in your mind properly? Okay, his memory is crowded with the names of actors and actresses and cricketers and footballers and murderers. So his memory, okay, his memory na his na yaar here people. Okay, people nammalala crowded, our memory is crowded with the names of actresses, even though some people will tell about their family members also. Okay, cricketers, footballers and murderers, everything you can remember. And he can tell you what the weather was like in a long past August and the name of the provincial hotel at which he had a wild meal during the summer. And even he can tell before 10 years how the climate was. Even 2004 when the tsunami till we are remembering. புரியுதா? இப்போ வரைக்கும் அதை நம்ம பேசிகிட்டு இருக்கோம், இனிமேலும் பேசுவோம். ஸோ அதெல்லாம் ஒரு 15 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி 10 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னாடி நடந்ததெல்லாம் we can remember. And even though எப்போயோ ஒரு ஹோட்டலுக்கு ஏதோ ஒரு ஊருக்கு போயிருப்போம், அங்கே போய் ஒரு ப்ராவின்ஷியல் ஹோட்டல், ஓகே, ப்ராவின்ஷியல் பர்டிகுலர் ஏரியா இருக்கிற ஹோட்டல் which had a wild meal, very bad. ஓகே, ரொம்ப ஒஸ்டான மீல் நம்ம சாப்பிட்ருப்போம் டூரிங் தி சம்மர் டைம். தட் ஒன் ஆல்சோ வி கேன் ரிமெம்பர். ஆஃப்டர் 10 வருஷம் கழிச்சு அந்த ஏரியாவுக்கு போனால் கூட வி வில் இன்ஸ்ட்ரக்ட் அவர் ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், டோன்ட் கோ டு தட் ஹோட்டல், தட் மீல் இட் இஸ் நாட் குட் அட் ஆல், இட் இஸ் வெரி பேட் அப்படின்னு வில் பி ரிமெம்பரிங், ரைட்? வைல் இட் இஸ் பாசிபிள், பட் வை டோன்ட் யூ டேக் யுவர் திங்ஸ் ப்ராப்பர்லி? அவ்வளோ ஞாபகம் வச்சுக்கிறதுக்கு அந்த மெமரிக்கு சிம்பிளாக நம்ம கையில் கொண்டுட்டு போகிற ஒரு திங்கை எடுக்கணும்னு ஏன் ஞாபகம் வர மாட்டேங்குது? ஹீஸ் ரைசிங் அ கொஷின். Okay, and in his ordinary life again he remembers almost everything that he is expected to remember. Okay, in ordinary life, morning endichunna we have to brush and we have to wear dress properly. Okay, and we have to comb our hair and we breakfast at particular this time we have to take, and bus stop he has to 8:30 na we have to go to at 8:30, otherwise we will miss the bus. So these things we have to take, pencil, pen, paper, a book, everything we have to take. So இதெல்லாம் ordinary lifeல இதெல்லாம் நமக்கு நல்ல ஞாபகம் இருக்குது. And how many men in London forget a single item of their clothing when dressing in the morning? Okay, how many men he's raising a question, how many men in London while you are coming out of the house, okay, out of the restroom, out of the room, will you come without dress? No, that mind is telling that we should not go out without dress, we have to wear and go. So அதுக்கு நம்ம மறக்கிறதே கிடையாது. And perhaps not 1 in 100. ஸோ ஒருத்தன் கூட அப்படி ட்ரெஸ் இல்லாமல் வெளியே வர்றது கிடையாது. அண்ட் பெர்ஹாப்ஸ் நாட் 1 in 10,000, ஈவன் 10,000 ஒருத்தன் கூட தே ஆர் நாட் கம்மிங் லைக் தட். Perhaps not 1 in 10,000. How many of them forget to shut the front door when leaving the house? Okay, when we are going somewhere else, what we will do, we will lock all the door in our house. Will anybody forget to do that? No, இந்த ஒர்க்கெல்லாம் we will do correctly, perfectly. Okay, and 2 to 3 times we will check also, நல்லா லாக் பண்ணியிருக்குமா இல்லையான்னு. ஸோ இதெல்லாம் that memory can remember, scarcely more. ஓகே, யாருமே இல்லை, எல்லாருமே நல்லா லாக் பண்ணிட்டு தான் everybody is going. Scarcely என்ன, nobody. And so it goes on through the day, almost everybody remembering to do the right things at the right moment till it is time to go to bed. So at last what he is telling, so from morning to evening till going to bed, what are the necessary things we have to do, everything we are doing, all the men and women in the world doing correctly and perfectly. And then the ordinary man seldom forgets to turn off the lights before going upstairs. So an ordinary man, when we are going upstairs of our house, will you forget to switch off the lights? No, nobody, seldom forgets. Seldomna nobody forget to off the light. Okay va, nalla light la off பண்ணிட்டு lock பண்ணிட்டு only after that only we are moving to the upstairs. Okay, so author is telling that these things and all we can remember, that mind is doing perfectly and correctly. Okay, வெளியே போகணுன்னா we have to wear dress. While going upstairs we have to switch off everything. While going out of station we have to lock our house. So these things, that ordinary things, everything doing our mind very perfectly. Okay, but என்னன்னு we'll see in the next video.